All right, we're going to add a manual listing. And the only reason you're really going to add a manual listing is if it's like a pocket listing. If it's something that the seller's like, I don't want it to be on the MLS, it's going to be office exclusive. And if you can give me this price, great. All right, this is very cool because there's not a lot of systems that actually allow this. What this does, when you click on it, come in here, you put in the address. The next is the listing information. Media can be videos, can be pictures, anything you got. Property details is going to be basically a more detailed version from the listing information. And then once you finish this all the way through, it's going to create a landing page with everything that you put here. Now you can send traffic to that landing page to collect information, which is awesome, right? You're getting leads for off-market properties. And a lot of people are like, well, I don't get pocket listings, or what do you mean an off-market property? I don't even know what you're talking about. Well, I know people that are like, look, man, I don't want to list my house. I don't want to do showings, but if you can get me 750,000, I will sell it. It's like, all right, cool. Like, let's just sign a little office exclusive agreement where it's just with me. Won't go on the MLS. 100%. I need to get my photographer over here to get some photos and stuff done. Like, let's make this thing look really good so that if I can get you this 750, we're going to get you that 750. And that's just how it works. I got some investors that have rental properties that they're like, yeah, I don't want to list it either because I got a renter in there, but I'll definitely let you get some photos and stuff done. And if you can sell it for this price, I will sell it, and it happens. It definitely happens. So this is how you do that. You literally just run through these steps all the way through. Boom, 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 boom. And then it will give you the link for the page, which is super cool. And then you can drive traffic from social media, from Google, blast this out to your email list, like whatever you want to do. As long as it doesn't hit the MLS, because that's what the seller is basically asking you for, you're good to go. So that's the pocket listings. Very, very cool feature on this system.